Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you a very interesting topic on how to make money using your Android phone. I'm not here to refer you to links that you should follow or apps that you should follow, all those fake stuff that people used to share. Download these apps, you start making money. At the end of the day, you keep on spending your data without making any money. So in this video I'm going to be so realistic. I'm going to share with you important tips that you can use. Put in your energy, put in little investment, you start making money. Please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, turn on your notification bell. I'll be dropping more interesting videos. Straight to the point, guys. Number one way you can make money using your mobile phone in Africa is create a Facebook page, create an Instagram account, let people follow you, do giveaway to attract people to your page. By so doing, your page is going to grow very fast and you start making money by advertising for brands. By being a brand ambassador, people will come to you for advertisement. You can charge them any amount depending on how big your audience is. So that's the number one way you can make money in Africa. Another way you can make money using your mobile phone in Africa is by becoming a real estate agent. You just have to start small. Just start in the level that you are. You can walk around your neighborhood, you can walk around places, look for people who have properties for sale and for rent. Go into contract with them. You guys should agree. You help them to advertise. Use your Android phone, use your iPhone, snap the house, make videos, post on social media, advertise the houses, and people who are interested in those properties will give some commission to you. That's how you'll be making money. There's too much money in real estate, so you can start the little way you can. So that's how you can make money using your Android phone. But 3 ways to make money with your Android phone is by creating a YouTube channel. You guys can see Wode Maya is one of the most talked about African YouTuber. He has a very large community. I started following Wode Maya in 2019 when he was just at, is it 150k or 100k subscribers in 2019, but here we are in 2022. Wode Maya already has 1 million subscribers. So you can start your YouTube channel now. Just use your phone, look for a niche. If you have a handwork that you're doing, maybe you are a carpenter, you can start videoing, you can start making videos how you make your beds, how you make stuff, edit the video, learn how to edit, put them online. If you're a tailor, you know how to sew, just start making videos, show people how to sew various styles. If you're a chef, show people how to cook, and with so doing, your channel will grow. Channels that teach people how to do certain things grow so fast. If you are someone who has a 9-to-5 job, you can do vlogs, how you spend your day from 9 to 5, how you organize, how you schedule your programs as someone who does 9-to-5 job. So people will watch your video. Share it on Facebook, share your videos to your social media platforms. People will subscribe to your channel and your channel will grow. Once your channel reaches 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours, YouTube is going to monetize you. They'll start placing ads on your videos, and once those ads are flowing on your videos, you'll be making money at the end of every month. So don't say you don't have any job, you don't have anything doing, or the job you're doing now you are not satisfied with it because of long hours of work, because of too much hard labor that you put into, and you receive just little pay. You can start with your YouTube channel. Just trust God, your YouTube channel is going to grow. You can still go to the villages. People love to watch village vlogs. Just go around the villages, make videos, show people how people in your environment live, how people live in your village, how everything is going on in your environment. You can walk around, interview people, and put on YouTube. People are going to watch and you start making money. So this is one of the ways you can make money in Africa. And one of the major challenges when it comes to online stuff is mobile data, because most African countries use mobile data and not Wi-Fi. You can start from somewhere, and by the grace of God, you look back and say, I'm glad I started this YouTube channel. So yeah, another way you can make money in Africa is by creating cleaning service. Yes, you can create a cleaning service where you call your friends, 3, 4, or 5 of your friends, tell them we can start this and make money for ourselves. Just buy some detergents, buy some cleaning equipment that you can start cleaning Now with your Android phone, you can advertise on social media, let your audience know that you offer these services, so that when they need you, they'll call you. You can print t-shirts, write your company's name, let them know that you offer these services. If you're a very good cook, you can call one or two of your friends. People out there who are so busy, they don't have time to cook. You can advertise yourselves on your social media platform, let people know that you offer cooking services, and people will start calling you. You'll be going to cook in their homes. So this is how you can use your Android phone and make money. Another way you can make money with your Android phone is by joining affiliate marketing, which so you advertise products for companies, and each product you sell, you have a percentage to gain from it. This is how you can make money using your Android phone. We know there's a lot of hardship right now, the hike in prices, how things are getting expensive. People work so hard with little pay, and the little pay they receive cannot even cover their expenses. So you can open up so many streams of incomes like these tips I've shared with you. If you're a hairstylist, you know how to plait, you can learn how to edit videos, show the styles, how you do various styles. If you do wigs for a lady, if you do wigs, you can show people the various styles, the various ways on how to make wigs. Videos that are titled how to do this, how to do this, they easily go viral. So if you have any handwork you're doing, you can include it here on YouTube. You can put it here on YouTube, teach people, let people learn how to do these things, and you start making money with your knowledge. With this being said, let me say it's a wrap for today. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up. You can share it with your friends. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.